Today, rice guy is feeling Thai, so I'm going to show you how to make Tom Yum chicken rice. My rice cooker. Yum. Now we're gonna leave this to marinate while we prep the rest of the ingredients. As usual, if you want to skip all these steps and add everything into the rice cooker straight, you can as well. As you can see, I've infused all the ingredients of a Tom Yum soup in one rice cooker. Hey, Banners! Shooting, huh? Come and check. Shooting, make noise only. Okay, you can go back.